what you enjoy matters. What do you talk matters. What kind of friends you have matters. All these decides. Understand? If you are enjoying the failures and discussing others' characters, you are in hell. If you are enjoying ideas, concepts, you are raising yourself. If you are enjoying this third page, page 3 is in India always this gossips and rumors about the celebrities. If you are enjoying that, you locked the doors of the hell inside and burnt the key in the hellfire itself. Perverted pleasure. Perverted pleasure. I'll describe the word perverted pleasure. Please listen. When there is a rumor about any celebrity or his career collapsing, his fans enjoy that news because even while they were fan for him or her, they entertain certain jealous and anger inside them. So when his or her hero collapses, they enjoy his collapsing also. It is a very subtle description I am giving. If you are watching your own thought currents and analyzing yourself, you will understand what I am saying. How many of you are able to catch what I am saying? This is what is called perverted thought current. You will be surprised. You, like this? Yes, you are. If you read what you wrote, you can see the newspaper, page 1, page 3, last page, all three in what you wrote. The reflection of all three in what you wrote. How many of you feel, yes, what I wrote in that I can see, page 1, page 3 and last page. How many of you understand, feel you have all these three components in your answers you wrote? Raise your hand. Can you all read that once? Because I'm going to introduce you to you. So just pick up the paper. Read. Let me tell you. Listen to what I am saying. All the ideas you keep as your future, which is expansive and contributing, that is the last page, success, where powerfulness is reflected. All your plan for failure, a strong belief you carry that you will not make it, is the front page. And listen carefully. You yourself enjoying your collapse is third page. When you read what you wrote, how many of you understand all three components are there? Listen carefully. Even while you were writing, how many of you felt your visualization was only about failure? It is going to be a failure. And you have to constantly push yourself, no, I will make it. And then you have to pen down. How many of you went through this pattern? Raise your hand. Listen. What you desire does not come true, what you believe comes true. You desire to have wealth, but you believe it is never going to happen to you. You desire wealth, but you believe strongly it is never going to happen to you. What you believe is the stuff, foundation of your life, not what you desire. Can you now look what you wrote with this understanding, this belief and desire? Just reread 2-3 times what you wrote. You will have so much of understandings. Everything about life changes. You are far more important in this whole scene. You. What you believe as you, what you desire as you. What you believe as you only manifests as reality, what you desire as you not. Many times people go on mistaking both. They come and tell me, why will I desire poverty? You say, whatever we want only we are manifesting. I don't desire poverty, but you believe in poverty. You may not desire, but that's what you believe is your life. Listen, everything you have in life, you manifested in your life, that is what you believe. You may not desire it, but that's what you are believing it. Desiring is different. Belief is different. Belief is blueprint of what you manifest in your life. While you are discussing with your architect, with your contractor, all the discussion goes on is desire. What is finally drawn is belief. But what is drawn only is made into reality. What you discussed will even be forgotten sometime. If you forget to put that into the plan, blueprint, it will not become reality. If something does not become your belief, you won't manifest it. How many of you are catching what I am saying? If you are having a brainstorming, good, Very nice word, brainstorming. In every level. The continuous brainstorming you do all by yourself is only called confusion. Sometimes even within you, you have 3-4 people doing brainstorming is called chaos. What do you believe? What do you want to become? If you see whatever you wrote, there will be thousands of your desires. There will be few beliefs. While you desire wealth, you strongly believe it is not going to happen to you. While you desire to be powerful and energetic, you strongly believe inside that is not going to happen to you. You are not even able to cognize and visualize that. How many of you catch what I am saying? You are not even able to visualize what you desire. Because your belief is something else. When I awaken your Kundalini Shakti, I am going to channel it to make you powerful, powerful, powerful. When you feel powerful, your beliefs are different. Many of your desires will become redundant. The powerfulness you feel, from that powerfulness, your taste, your joy, your right, your wrong, everything will change, will become different.